like wavy girls always get left out of the conversation. People either have curly hair or straight hair, but wavy gets stuck in the middle. You don't know how to style it, it's just frizzy. So by using certain tools and some great products, we're gonna wake those waves up.
I struggle with everything with my hair. I love wearing my hair wavy, but it's just an issue. Like, I love that I have a lot of hair, but I just don't know how to tame it.
Today we're gonna do a tutorial where we're gonna show you step by step what to put into your curls to wake up your wave and have frizz-free hair. A lot of times people think you can only use a curl product or a smoothing product, but the technology within the Eufora products, these two work great together. Because she has wavy hair, you have both frizzy, curly, and straight hair all in one head. It's great to be able to combine products to get the effects that you need. We're gonna use the Curl Enhancing Shampoo to wake up her waves. The tomato fruit ferment extract helps to increase the curl, making her waves a little bit curlier. For conditioner, we're gonna use the Smooth In Frizz Control Conditioner. It's gonna help to fight her frizz and control some of that curl, giving her the moisture that she needs. So after you've blotted your hair dry with a microfiber towel and gotten most of that moisture out of it, we're going to go ahead and start with our Perfect Curl Activator. This is a leave-in treatment that's going to help to give the hair the moisture that it needs, but also help to increase the curl and fight the frizz. We're going to apply this from scalp to ends. We are going to put in Behave, a styling cream that has an anti-humectant in it that's going to help to fight the frizz, but give her a little bit of hold and manageability throughout the day. I'm going to apply about a quarter size, work it through my hands, and just rub it from mid-shaft through ends. One of the quickest way to dry your waves is with a diffuser. The way that you would like to do this is to go ahead and pick up gently the curls, place them in the diffuser, and do like a zigzag pattern all the way up until the roots, lightly lift and hold. This will allow the hair to dry in its form and its style without a lot of frizz. After you air dry or diffuse, if you need a little bit more control, we're gonna use Details, which is our spray wax. It also has an anti-humectant in it, so it's really gonna help to coat the hair and keep the humidity out, but also helps us to find the curl a little bit more. So when you find these lazy curls on the end, it'll help to just coat it and make it shiny. Now that we got her waves right where we want them to be, we're gonna use Tame, which is our frizz control spray that's going to help to set it. It has an anti-humectant in it so that it'll block out the humidity. It also has some sun protection, so it'll protect her from the damaging rays of the sun.